I've tried, written down the words to say it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. And tonight, I am going all the way. The way you touch my hair, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Shell's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share a shopping tour. You know your girl Shell loves her Tkmaxx, so I thought I'd take you along with me. I hope you enjoy. Guys, as you're aware, your girl Shell loves her Tkmaxx so much. It is like a candy store, guys. You never know what you're going to find each day. Because I live so far away from my local Tkmaxx, I really enjoy getting to spend time there. I was in glam girl heaven when I came across these beautiful mirrors. This one for $69.95 was so stunning. They had about 4 of these in stock, guys, and I thought they'd look perfect either side of your television. Then your girl Shell nearly fainted over this brand new design. How stunning is this, guys? It took all my willpower to walk away from this design. I think this would look so beautiful above a mirrored table. Here is a closer look at that stunning mirror. Have you ever wanted something but then walked away from it and then regretted it? That mirror would definitely be it. There's always so many beautiful canvases at Tkmaxx. I truly love everything that they always put out, like this Chanel one, which was so cute for $24.95. The thing I love most about Tkmaxx, it's never the same item. It really is like finding a new item all the time. I was trying so hard to contain myself that day, especially when it comes to cushions. Guys, I have a love affair with cushions. There's just so many beautiful ones in Tkmaxx. It is so hard to walk away. As we don't get much fall stuff here in Australia, I was in love with this Fall in Love cushion, which I thought would be perfect for the fall season. They also have so many beautiful throws. I'm always drawn to their beautiful fur throws. There are so many out at the moment as Australia has just gone into fall, and I'm drawn to such beautiful colours. And your girl Shell loves a good pom-pom cushion. These ones were just $19.95. If you're a glam girl at heart, You will love the range of beautiful furniture that Tkmaxx has at the moment. This little stool was marked down to just $93, and my heart skipped a beat when I discovered this beautiful pink bench for $199. And how beautiful was this silver bar cart? I love the shape and style of this particular bar cart, and it was priced at just $249.95.
Oh baby, what I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hair, it all goes away.
If you're looking for affordable items to decorate your home that give that high-end look, I definitely recommend Tkmaxx. I'm certainly not sponsored for this video, guys. I'm just a lover of that store. Do you have a favourite store out there that you love to visit? This definitely would be mine. I'm really loving these beautiful photo albums that Tkmaxx have. I love this one. It was so sparkly and glam and priced at just $16.95. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've enjoyed shopping with me at Tkmaxx Australia.
Been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out. Wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one.
Don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Shell's Glam Home.
The things I plan, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, 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 and all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh, sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hair, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is say I love you.
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Inside out is because you're not worth less than perfection. Ooh, thought it was in my head.